Welcome back, students. Let us continue our chapter Transfer of Heat. I am giving you a classroom situation. In this row, the student X wants to give his book to the student Y who is sitting on the last bench. So how he'll give his book? There are different ways. So he wants to pass out the book to Y, but he doesn't want to move from his place. So what he will do, he will just pass on the book to next student, and next student will pass on it to again to next who is sitting just after him, then next, and in this way at the end Y will get the book. So X has passed the book to Y. How? Without moving, without standing, just passing on book to the student who is next to him. So this mode of transfer, he has successfully given his book to Y, X has given successfully his book to Y. So let us understand the situation in sense of heat, transfer of heat. In conduction, what happens? The molecules of medium doesn't move. The molecule doesn't move. Molecules only vibrates on its position. So that is called conduction. What is this? Conduction. So in conduction, the molecules don't move, they just vibrate on its position and heat passes to the next molecule. Now let us discuss the second situation. In this situation, student X, again he wants to give his book to Y, but this time he will not pass on the book to Y to his next student, but next boy or girl, but what he will do, he just standing up from his position and moving towards Y where Y is sitting and just passing on, just giving his book to Y. So what happened here? Here actually the boy X has moved from his seat. He just standing up and just passing on his book to Y. How? By movement. He has moved to Y and passing and gave his book to him. So what happened here? Here actual movement is taking place. So just like this, in case of convection, the molecules actually move from its position. Molecules just moving from its position for passing on, for transferring heat. So we'll discuss today about convection. Before that, I want to discuss one more thing. What is this? Convection. Now another mode. In this mode of have you seen so many students are naughty? They just don't want to move. They just don't want to do anything. Just throwing this and that, rubber, eraser, pencil, book. So what in this situation? What X has done? He just thrown his book to Y without moving. He was sitting stuck with his position and just thrown his book to Y. So easily Y has got the book. So this condition we can see, observe in radiation. Radiation is a mode of transfer of heat in which there is not actually what happened, just heat jumps from one source to another source. Here not radiation doesn't need any medium. We'll discuss about radiation in my next video. But before that, I want to discuss convection again, because in my last video we discussed about conduction, first mode of transfer of heat which takes place in solid. Right now we'll discuss about convection, second mode of transfer of heat. And where does it take place? It takes place in liquid and gases. Liquid and gases, in liquid and gases, the mode of transfer of heat is called convection. Now let us discuss more about convection. What happened in convection? The molecules, as we have seen in this example, X moved from his position. He just stand up and passing his book to Y. So he has left his position, he has left his seat and moved to Y and given it to him. So just like that, same thing happens in convection. What happened in convection? The molecules move from its position for transferring of heat. It do not stuck with the position, but it actually leave its position after heating up and move and pass out to heat to the surrounding, to the all parts of liquid or gases. In this way convection takes place. Let us check its definition. The process of transfer of heat in a liquid or a gas by the actual movement of the particles of the liquid or gas. So what is convection? It is a process of transfer of heat in a liquid or gas by actual movement of the molecules, by actual movement of the particles of the liquid or gases. This is what? Convection. So convection is a process of transfer of heat that takes place in liquid and gases by the actual movement of molecules, actual movement of particles of the medium. Okay. Now we'll discuss about sea breeze and land breeze.